Hello, thanks for watching Art Time with Anderson. This is how to change an image into black and white in Photoshop. We're going to use adjustment layers for this. So you come on over here to Layer, New Adjustment Layer. First you want to start with exposure if you didn't already edit that in Lightroom. So I'm going to just brighten this up a little bit. Next thing I want to do is I want to add an adjustment layer of changing it to black and white. There's an actual black and white adjustment layer. And here I can edit the actual colors that are in the photo to kind of bring them out more or less. If you've ever actually used the darkroom with color editing, with color photos, you'll know that you do adjust the color when you are in the darkroom. And then I'm going to add another adjustment layer, which almost every single black and white photo will need an increase in contrast, which means you're going to make the highlights lighter and the darks darker. And then this middle slider is going to adjust the midtones. Now, if you feel comfortable using curves, you can use curves, layer, new adjustment layer, curves. And there, it's sort of a little bit more intuitive, but it just really has this different appearance. So I like what this curves layer is doing right now. So here's my levels, here's my curves, pretty similar, but to me the curves layer looks a little more subtle. So from there, once you've got it how you like it, then you can go ahead and export it to a JPEG, and there is your black and white layer. Here's the original photo right here. And that's the steps to editing in black and white. You see all these adjustment layers right here in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.